So this is the shortening for the...
Yeah. This is stroke shortening. Want to reduce the length. Reduce the length of the cylinder. So we call this stroke shortening.
The first stage?
Yeah, the piston.
Piston.
Yeah, the piston. Or the piston. So now we keep everything ready for the stroke shortening. Yeah. Have to. This is called the lathe machine. It's managed by Mr. Satish.
Mr. Satish.
Yeah, Mr. Satish. Mr. Satish Kumar. Yeah. Okay, now we want to start with the stroke shortening. That is the length. Cylinder. We are doing the setting of the machine. Set the machine properly. So you have to reduce by 400. 400. Yeah, this is called a stroke shortening. Specialists. Yeah, international. International space. He's a specialist, Mr. Satish. The number one of high-tech. Very good guy, got 26 years experience.
How much is the thickness of the stage?
This is 2 mm depth. We need 2 mm depth. Here.
a single depth.
Yeah. This is the depth of thickness of the stage.
Yeah, this is the thickness. The thickness of this
4 mm. So half of the circuit, see, this is 4 mm, that stop ring.
So you made a place for a stopping.
Yeah.
New place.
We are shifting from here. So to 400 we shorten.
Yes.
Reduce the
400. Then the cutting stage would be after this.
Yeah. From here to here 400.
Yeah.
The top of the here groove at the top of here. That's
Yes.
400. So if you measure from here to here, also getting 400.
How much is the thickness?
Yeah.
Depth?
Depth I told you 2 mm.
2 mm.
2 mm. Depth 2 mm. And the width 5.6.
Yes.
6 mm.
6 mm width.
Yeah. Width. This is
Yeah.
6 mm. Now finish.
Now finish the groove.
Yeah.
You will cut the.
Now shifting this one. That man is doing. And shifting something.
But you will cut the stage itself.
No. We are shifting the snapping.
So it will stop inside. No need to cut.
Yeah, only stopping here.
Stop.
We reduce the total length. So how much the required that customer need, that much we are reducing. If they will need 100, so we are doing here, and 125 we are doing here. Not more than
Yeah. So from the downside, from the bottom of the piston, you change the stopper
from here to here.
from here to here. Yeah. So this is the shortening of piston for 129 cylinder. 400 mm was reduced.
15. You have to fit like this. First you have to clean it proper. Make sure clean it. Yeah. Clean it proper. Clean here.
The new groove.
Yeah, you have to clean it. Make sure it's properly clean. Okay. Like this. Okay, take it slowly, make sure there is no scratch. Make sure there is no scratch. You came here then. Keep it, when you put like this, you have to make like this, make sure it's free.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure it's free. If it is not running free, then it's not properly done.
So you have to be expert like Mr. Satish to make the groove like this.
Yeah, yes. The expert got too much experience.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now